that is genomes and virulence vectors of novel Pseudomonas koreensis strain isolated from aquaculture farm in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysian, Borneo. And the presenter is Cindy Jia Yung Ko. So I request organizers to play the presentation, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Cindy Jayong. The title of my presentation today is Genomes and Virulence Factors of Novel Pseudomonas koreensis strain isolated from aquaculture farm in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia, Borneo. Pseudomonas koreensis have been reported as a pathogen in freshwater fish. Unlike environmental Pseudomonas koreensis from soil, which has been studied extensively for its role in promoting plant growth, pathogenic Pseudomonas koreensis from fish has been assessed only to a very limited extent. For this reason, in this study, we report on the whole genome sequences of Pseudomonas koreensis CM01 from the internal organs of the disease told Thyroides. Bacteria were isolated from the diseased fish that presented obvious symptoms of exothermia, abdominal distension, detached scalp, and pedicle hemorrhages on the skin, gills, tails, and eyes. Next, the whole genome of CM01 sequenced using Illumina NovaSet 6000 platform and annotated using NCBI prokaryotic genome annotation. The assembled genome sequence were annotated further to predict the interspersed repetitive sequences, tandem repeats, prophage, genomic island, insertion sequences, CRISPR, and antibiotic-resistant genes. Functional annotation of koreensis were performed by mapping against COG database. In addition, the genome sequences of the CM01 strain were submitted to the virulence factor database to predict which genes were related to the virulence factors. The total size of Pseudomonas koreensis CM01 genome contains 6.17 million base pair and has a GC content of 16.5%. The genome sequences include 5,538 protein coding genes, 3 rRNA genes, 54 tRNA, and 61 pseudogenes. Besides this, 39 interspersed repeats, 141 tandem repeat sequences, 6 prophage, 51 genomic island, 94 insertion sequences, 4 CRISPRs, and 5 antibiotic-resistant genes were predicted. From COG analysis, there were altogether 22 COG classifications. The most abundant COG known function in Pseudomonas koreensis CM01 are amino acid transport and metabolism, transcription, and inorganic ion transport and metabolism. A total of 150 virulence genes belonging to 18 major virulence factor classes were identified in the genome of Pseudomonas koreensis CM01. Genes involved in the adherence were among the most prevalent, followed by those involved in antiphagocytosis and iron uptake. In conclusion, whole genome sequences serve to extensively expand the current knowledge on the newly identified Pseudomonas koreensis CM01, and also provides an important basis for future detailed study on the role of the predicted virulence genes and their encoded proteins during the pathogenesis in fish. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thanks, Cindy, for your wonderful presentation. And with this one, we come to the end of 3 minutes presentation of the selected poster presenter round. And now I would like to express my thanks and gratitude to all the presenters for their excellent and nice presentations. And over to you, Ms. Liana, please. Thank you.